Today, we are making a spiced Korean clam soup. It's one of the best dishes to enjoy with a drink, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Let's get started. First, remove the stem from the green chili pepper and slice them thin. That's it! Next, thinly slice the green onions. That's all the prep done. Now, bring 1500 ml of water to a boil. Once it's boiling, add all of the clams. Make sure the clam have been purged of sand before cooking. It's best to do this the day before. There are plenty of simple tutorials online if you've never done it before. Add the salt, then add the minced garlic and stir well. Once it comes back to a boil, you are almost done. When the clams start to open, cover the pot and cook for just 3 minutes. Finally, add the green chili peppers and green onion. Turn off the heat. Your spiced Korean clam soup is ready. Serve it in a bowl and enjoy with a glass of soju. Enjoy! Wow! Cheers!
Wow, that's so good! Perfect with soju!